let us now finish our lecture by showing some more examples. We are going to explain Python exception handling. Okay, this is the Chatbot I use. So different types of error again as we summarize. Syntax error: if true there is no colon, I get the syntax error. Okay, when I make correction I get out. It's our syntax error. Indentation error: there is no indentation present after in the function, so correct code is provide the indentation. You will get the indentation error if you are not providing indentation. Name error: you are not defining the name. Here hello is defined, printed hello, but here I will not get any error, but here I am directly printing hello without defining hello variable. I get the name error. Next is type error. Means what? I am trying to add string with the integer, so correct way is typecast it with int and print it. That's it. Next is index error. Means what? This is the first 0, first 1, first 2. I am printing first 3. That is the index error. So what is the better way? Just modify it to 2. Key error means what? Here name is the key, value is alias. This is the dictionary, but I am printing the age. Age is not defined. There is no dictionary with key age. Oh, I get the error. So what is the option? Define name alias, print d.get age, key not found. Means when I write this, just type this key not found. If there is no key, then I will get this message, key not found. Your program will not stop. Next, attribute error. Attribute error means what? Here yes equal to double quote hello and yes dot append at the end of the bracket exclamatory mark. So I cannot write like this. So what I do? Yes equal to yes plus this operator, because it doesn't provide append operator. So this is attribute error. Next is value error. Here I am trying to typecast hello, that is string, to integer. So it's not possible. This is correct. Okay. Import error: I am trying to import the package which does not exist. I get the error. So import mat is the correct. Division by 0 error. Here correct way is make sure that we are providing a non-zero element in the denominator. File error: it may happen we are trying to open a file which does not exist. So here first check with the help of try if file exists. If else if file not found, except file not found error. Print file not found. Okay, file not found. Next is error handling. And how to avoid the error? Using the try block. Again I show it. Try, except, else, finally. Try, except, else, finally. So we are writing the block in try, and we are catching the exception in except, and if we want to print the output, we can use in else, or we can print in except also. And finally is the statement to be executed. Let us convert the code into try catch. So x equal to try, x equal to 1 divided by 0, except if division 0 error exists e, then error, print the error. Okay. Next is multiple except block. We may have multiple except block, we may have value error, we may have type error. So x equal to int abc. So here exception error is also there, type error is also there. So we will get both. So multiple except, and finally, so we are adding try, except, finally. Means this statement will always execute either there is an error or not. So open the file, file not found error, and this will always execute, and finally close the file. Else block means what? There is an else block, else. Okay. It will print the result. If there is no exception, it will print the result. Okay. If there is error, it will print this. It will not print result. And what are the common types of exceptions and error handling? Syntax error. Okay. Like if true, print hello. Indentation error. There is no indentation. Type error. Value error. Name error. Index error. Key error. Okay. Attribute error. Division 0 error. File not found error. So these are different types of error. And here we can see simple example, division of two number, where we use all except division by 0 division error, except type error. We are trying to execute these two errors, and if there is no error, then this will execute result equal to result, and finally I get the output. That's it. So here divide 10 comma 2, divide 10 comma 0. So what I do, I just copy the code and run the code so that you will have better understanding for this code. I add the code, just run the code and run the output. That's it. So initially division by 0 is there. Okay, so result equal to 5.0. okay, execution completed. In finally, you see finally execution complete, you will see execution complete 3 times, 1 time, 2nd time, 3rd time, because this will execute either there is error or not. This will always execute, and we have called this function 3 times. Okay, now there error is present. When error is present, it will print division by 0 error, 0 division error. Can you see this? 0 division error, division by 0, and execution completed. And next is comma A, means there is no 0 division error present, but there is a type error. Type error is there. Okay, because this is expected as integer, we are providing string. So here type error E, you get output type error, unsupported operand types yes. Okay, I hope this example is very good example. You can see multiple examples. Okay, thank you.